Sai Prabhu and my roll number is 19H518013 and our project is mini vacuum cleaner and the project objective is effective cleaning of the interior of the car from dust and grime particles and it continues from Azmat.
Hi friends, my name is Azmat. My roll number is 19H518012. So our issue is in India, roads are very important mode of transport. So India is ranked the second largest vehicle road network globally. Most of our automobiles in India, especially the cars, which are commonly vehicles we can see every day, are not maintained cleanly in the interior. This is because of the manpower required and the time draining process that involves in cleaning and existing solutions.
And we have two existing solutions of our model. One is Petroc and another is auto carpet cleaner. In Petroc, it will sticks the dust, and in auto carpet cleaner, it is very big in size, so it is not able to carry in the cars. That's why we do not use this.
Good morning, my name is Surya Teja. My roll number is 19H580115. Now I am going to explain the user requirements, which are the cleaner should be very easy to use by the users. The weight of the cleaner should not exceed 500 grams. The cleaner must be budget friendly and should be from 200 to 400 rupees only. Material used in this manufacturing of the cleaner should not have any sharp edges. And the last one is the cleaner should run on the USB of the car, which is available in the car. So,
Good morning, myself Anjit, 20H55800106. Lamps in the existing system, designed only for the cleaning of the dust and grime, particles that get accumulated in the tiny gaps of the car seats, and sand in the mud particles that enter the vehicle with the footway.
Myself Garisha, my roll number is 19H51A0111. I am here to explain the methodology which is involved in mini vacuum cleaner. In mini vacuum cleaner, the working principle of this cleaner is of creating suction which is required to suck all the dust particles from the mouthpiece. And we use a DC motor of 30,000 RPM, which helps us in creating great suction which is required to suck all the dust particles. And as mentioned in the requirements, we are making this model user friendly, economical and easy to carry, which is different from all other existing solutions. And we will place a filter in a place which is middle of the propeller and the mouthpiece, which helps in saving the propeller from hitting of the dust particles. And the propeller is used to create suction in the motor, and we have given USB cable for this device, which is very useful in connecting the device in the car. And we are creating this model under 100 rupees. So this is very economical to use. And, thank you. Here we can see this is a mini vacuum cleaner which we have made, and here are some dust particles and grime particles. We have given USB through USB power supply.
this is the working of the mini vacuum cleaner.
This is the working of the cleaner. This is used to clear all the dust and grime particles. In the same way, we use this in the car by connecting it to the USB cable which is available in the car.
Thank you.